The latest collection of Instagrammable home garden fences, design ideas, 2024. Welcome to my channel. Explore the future of garden aesthetics with our latest collection of Instagrammable home garden fences, design ideas for 2024. Dive into a world where creativity meets functionality, and where your outdoor space transforms into a picturesque paradise. In this video, we've curated the most stunning and innovative garden fence designs that are set to trend in 2024. From modern minimalism to rustic charm, there's a design to suit every taste and style. Discover expert tips, DIY hacks, and ingenious landscaping ideas that will elevate the ambience of your garden, making it the envy of your neighborhood. What to expect? 1. Cutting-edge fence designs inspired by the latest architectural trends. 2. Clever use of materials, colors, and textures for a visually appealing garden backdrop. 3. Tips on incorporating eco-friendly elements into your garden fence design. 4. Step-by-step guides for DIY enthusiasts looking to revamp their outdoor space. 5. Expert advice from leading landscape designers and architects. 6. Creative lighting ideas to enhance the beauty of your garden during the day and night. Join us on this visual journey and let your imagination flourish as we present the future of garden fencing. Whether you have a small urban balcony or a sprawling backyard, our collection caters to all spaces, sizes, and budgets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content on home and garden aesthetics. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Feel free to comment below and let us know which fence design captivated your imagination the most. Get ready to transform your outdoor space into a sanctuary of style and serenity. Let's make 2024 the year your garden becomes the ultimate Instagrammable haven.